Okay. Today we are going to see another method of subtraction using uh, the formula called as a Nikhilam Navata Charamam Dashataha. Charamam Dashataha. Uh, it means you are going to subtract the unit place by 10 from 10 and rest of the digits from 9. This is what the meaning of this one. म्हणजे जे शेवटचा अंक आहे जो युनिट प्लेसचा अंक आहे एका स्थानाचा अंक आहे तो तुम्ही 10 मधून वजा कराल आणि उरलेले सगळे अंक तुम्ही 9 मधून वजा कराल असा त्याचा मिनिंग आहे. सो निखिलम नवतः Charamam Dashata. Charamam means the last one. You have to reduce it from the 10. You have to subtract it from the 10 and rest you have to do it from uh, 9. So this is what the meaning of this one. So just try to understand the concept. I'm going to share it now. So just see. Let us consider that you want to subtract the following number from 10,000. So how we are going to subtract it? So the number you are going to subtract is 8732. 8732. So this is what the number you want to subtract. So according to this rule or according to this sutra, the last digit, the unit place digit, you have to subtract it from the 10. So it comes out to be 8 only. And rest you are going to subtract it from the 9. So here it is 6, here it is 2, and here it is 1. So your answer comes out to be 1268. 1268. So this is how you are going to subtract it. Now simple, it's very simple. So this is the digit you are going to subtract. I'm going to mark it like this with a different color. So let me mark it as a 10. Then this should be from 9, this should be from 9, and this should be from 9. So the meaning is Nikhilam Navataha and Dashamam Dashata. Sorry, Charamam Dashata. So the Nikhilam Navata. So the rest of the figures you are going to reduce it from you are going to subtract it from the 9 and the unit place you are going to subtract it from the 10th from 10. Now let us consider another example. Let me take the another example. Let me just say- Now let us consider that this is 1 lakh and you are going to reduce 867 or 76. Let us consider 876. So how we are going to do it by this method? Rest Charamam from Dashata. So 10 minus 6 is 4. So this is 2. This is 1. Here it is 9 and here it is 9. So the answer comes out to be 99,124. So this is how you are going to do by the simplest way. And this Nikhilam Navata Charmam Dashata formula is used in many applications such as multiplications and other type of mathematical applications. So here the base is you are going to take the base of 10, 100,000, 10,000 and so on. That means you are taking the base of 10. So from that you are going to reduce these numbers. So most of the time we find it very difficult and बऱ्याच वेळेला आपण मार्केटमध्ये जातो आणि आपल्याला असे ॲप्लिकेशन्स जेव्हा शोधावे लागतात तर त्यावेळेला आपल्याला ह्या पद्धतीचे यायला पाहिजेत. सो मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम वी टेक द चेंज वी डोंट हॅव अ चेंज अँड वी गिव्ह द shopkeeper 100 rupees or 1000 rupees, then and we want to take the back the rest of the money from him. So how you are going to take it back? and you need to do the calculation very fast. So at that time, this Nikilam Navata Charmam Dashata, this formula will help you to calculate your uh, just so this time you'll get a formula, and this Nikilam Navata Charmam Dashata will help you to calculate it. Now let us try one more example. Just try to subtract this 68. So it seems out to be very difficult. You are giving the 1,000 rupees note to the shopkeeper. Now let us consider it. Let it be 168 is your bill, and you want to take the rest money back from the shopkeeper, and you want to calculate. You don't have a calculator. How you are going to do it? So the last number you are going to reduce it from the 10. So 10 is 2. Now rest is from 9. So here it is 3. Rest is from 9. Here it is 8. And your answer is 832. So you should get back 832 rupees. So without any calculator, you can do this such kind of calculations with the help of Nikilam Navata Charamam Dashata. So this is the formula, or this is the sutra we are going to use for uh, subtraction method, and this is useful in many applications. Okay. uh, so you now you do it. I'll give you another example. So from this you reduce a number 6,739. Now let us try to get the answer very fast. So 10 minus 1, 9. So 6 minus 3, 9 minus 3, 6. 9 minus 7, 2. And 9 minus 6, 3. So your answer is 3261. This is how you can easily get the answer, and you can easily find your subtraction with the help of the sutra Nikilam Navata Charamam Dashata. So this is how you'll be getting the subtraction method. Now we'll be moving towards the concept called as a multiplication. The concept of multiplication using uh, number 1, 11, 111, and so on. So we'll see how it can be used. So multiplication using 1. So obviously 1, you know that obviously you'll be getting 1 as it is. So the number will be the same one. So we are not going to see 1. So we are going to see a number multiplied by 11, 111. Now let us consider the example. uh, you can take any example. Now let us consider, we'll start with a number itself. 11 is multiplied by 11. So that comes out to be, so when you are putting like this, so here you will be see 11 into 11. If you do the multiplication, you write 11 as it is, and you leave the place by cross here, and you put 1 over here. So that comes out to be 121. Okay, so that comes out to be 121. So 11 square is 121. Now the simple task is, you write 1 as it is over here. So 1 as it is over here, 1 as it is over here, and you add these two digits together and put its addition over here. Now let us consider 111 into 111. So how you are going to get the answer? How many numbers of ones are there? You simply go and adding that one, 2, 3, and thereafter three numbers are there now. So it is multiplied by equal number of ones. So equal number of ones. So 1, 2, 3. So you just go 1, 2, 3, and thereafter again start reducing it and write last word. Similarly, you can go for 1111 into 1111. So how we are going to add it? So you are going to add it. How many number of ones are there? 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then its mirror image. 3, 2, 1. So you can see whether you are getting the multiplication is like that or not, multiplied by 1, 1, 1, 1. So you just write it 1, 1, 1, 1. You leave it 1, 1, 1, 1. You again leave the two places 1, 1, 1, 1. You leave three places and write 1, 1, 1 and 1. So simply add it. So here it is 1, here it is 2, here it is 3, here it is 4, again here it is 3, here it is 2 and here it is 1. So this is how you are going to get the answer. So this is the simplest way when you multiply all ones by all ones. Simply you have to look into if the number are equal in both the cases, that means multiplicand and multiplier, if both are same in number for 1 1 1 1 1, simply what you have to do, simply you have to count the numbers and go on adding 1 2 3 4 count, and thereafter you simply reduce it by 1. You simply reduce it by 1 till the last number is 1. So this is how you will count it. Now I'll give you the option. Here it is. So whenever you are multiplying equal number of ones with equal number of ones again, what simply you have to do, तुम्हाला काय करायचं आहे, सिम्पली जेवढे नंबर ऑफ वन्स आहेत तेवढे नंबर ऑफ वन्स सरळ लिहायचे, एक दोन तीन, आणि त्याच्यानंतर परत ही जी रिव्हर्स सिरीज आहे ती तशी लिहायची. तर तुम्हाला बघता येईल. मग आता मी 4 लिहिले. आता 1111 multiplied by 1111. So that comes out to be simple 1, 2, 3, 4. Again go reverse 3, 2, 1. So this is the simplest way you can go for. याच्यामध्ये रूल असा आहे की सिम्पली जेवढे नंबर ऑफ वन्स आहेत तेवढे नंबर ऑफ वन्स लिहायचे 1 2 3 4, and thereafter you start reducing it. So 1 1 1 1 1. Now simply I'll give you the example of 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. So 11 lakh 11,111 into 11 lakh 11,111. Okay. So how many number of ones are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So my answer immediately I can write it. So multiplier and multiplicand is same, and simply I'll write it 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. My answer is now reverse. Maximum number is reached 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. So this is why multiplication number. So if you came across such kind of examples in your competitive exams, then you should do it very fast with the help of such kind of technique. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and reverse back. So this is how you can go with a multiplication with equal number of ones with the equal number of ones. Now what we'll do, we'll go for the multiplication of uh, multiplication with number 11. Multiplication with number 11. Now let us consider that you are going to multiply it by number 11. So how you are going to multiply by it? 70,
Correct doubt.
76 multiplied by 11. So we will clear it the doubts at the end of the session. I am recording it. So at the end of the day, we are going to do it. How we are going to do it? We are going to simply add it 7 6 as it is, and we are going to leave. Then we are going to add 7 6 as it is. Okay, so this is 6, this is 3, and we are going to add it 1 over here, and this is 8. Okay, now how we are going to do it very fast? Okay, now with a simple unit, you write the unit place as it is, and C7 as it is over here. Now you add these two digits. You add these two digits because here you are multiplying by two factors, so you have to consider the two digits. So you are going to add the two digits over here. So 13 is there. So you take a carry. So your answer comes out to be 836. So this is how you are going to simply do it. Now let us consider that you are going to multiply 95 by 11. Now simply write 9 as it is over here, 5 as it is over here, and 9 plus 4 is 14. So you are going to add it over here. So your answer comes out to be 1045. So this is how fast you are going to do it with the help of multiplication. So you simply add these two numbers together and write it over here. So how you are going to write it? Let me split it into different way. 95 multiplied by 11, okay, is equal to, so you are going to put this 5 as it is over here. You are going to put 9 as it is over here, and you are going to add these two plus, and you are going to put it over here. So that comes out to be 4 with carry 1. So it comes out to be 1045. So this is how you are going to calculate your answer with number 11. With number 11. Okay. Now, how you are going to do it with triple one? How you are going to do it with triple one? Uh, Now you are going to multiply it with triple one. Now let us take any number. Any number. So let us take 231 multiplied by 11. So the multiplicand is a 3 number, and this is a 2 number. So how we are going to multiply it with 11 number? So 2 you keep it as it is, 1 you keep it as it is over here. Now add these two numbers and write it over here. So 4, then you shift to the left, you add these two digits and write it over here. So your answer is 2541. Just try it whether we'll be getting the same number or not. You are going to multiply it by 11. So you write it 231 because you are going to multiply it. Then you are going to put it, and you are going to put it 231. So just see, you are getting 202,541. So the answer is same. This is how you can do it very fastly with the help of triple one. Okay. Uh, Sorry, to a double one. So similarly, you can go for triple one also. Similarly, you can go for triple one also. Uh, so just try to see. We'll multiply this number with triple one only. Now triple one. Okay. Now what will be your answer? We'll do it by a traditional method, 231. Okay. So you leave the first place unit place, then you add 231. Again, you leave the second place and you are going to add 231. So your answer comes out to be 2, 5, then 3 plus 3 is 6, this is 4, and this is 1. Now how we are going to solve it? 231 into triple one. Okay. Now you simply write 1 as it is and 2 as it is over here. Now add these two. Add these two, it comes out to be 4. Now add these 3. Why 3? Because 3 numbers are there. So these 3 you are going to add it. Then these 6. Now you shift it. Is there any third number? Third number is not there. So you are going to add these two. So your answer is 25641. So what you are going to do, initially you are putting the leftmost and the rightmost number as it is, then add 3 plus 1, then add 3 numbers because 3 numbers are there, then you are going to add 2 plus 3 plus 1, then you shift to the left, only two numbers are left, so you add 2 plus 3 and you will be getting like this. So if the number is, let us consider that 2031, and you are multiplying it by 111, so what will be your number? So the leftmost digit as it is and the rightmost digit as it is, then you are going to add 3 and 1. So you are starting from this one, so that comes out to be 4. Then you are going to add 0, 3 and 1, so the number comes out to be 4 as it is. Then you leave to the next, then you are going to add 3, 0 and 2, so that comes out to be 5. Then you are leaving 3 and you are going to add 2 and 0 only, so your answer comes out to be 225441. You just see whether you will be getting this number or not. 20 or 2031 multiplied by 111. So just try to add it. 2031, then shift it to the left. 2031, then shift it to the left. 2031. Now let us see. 1 as it is, 3 plus 1 is 4, 3 plus 1 is 4, 0 plus 2 is 5, 3, this is 2 and this is 2. So your answer is tallied over here. So this is how you will be getting the multiplication with number 1. So we will stop here, and in next lecture we are going to see the other multiplications technique with the help of uh, this kind of